Hey everyone, today I'll tell you how to use Presto card in Canada. First, let's know what is Presto card. A Presto card is a contactless smart card that allows you to pay for public transit in the Greater Toronto, Hamilton, and Ottawa areas of Ontario, Canada. You can use a Presto card on buses, trains, and other transit vehicles. Now let's see how to use Presto card. For use the Presto card, you have to recharge first. You can recharge a Presto card by online, by phone, in person, or using the Presto app. And you can also add your Presto card to a mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. And then to pay for a bus ride with a Presto card, you can tap your Presto card on the Presto card reader when you board the bus. The system will calculate your fare and deduct it from your card balance. If you are transferring between vehicles or a subway station, tap your card again and build it your transfer. And that's it. That's how you can use Presto card in Canada.